Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Jocelyn Mizinski, your favorite real estate broker, bringing you another great video. And today it is going to be a beautiful tour of this property. Before we do so, I have to tell you where it's located. This property is located in the fastest growing suburb of Orlando, Lake Nona. Lake Nona is situated on the southeast side of Orlando. Also known as Medical City, it is only 10 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport, 28 minutes away from downtown Orlando, and 28 minutes away from Disney World. Today we are in the subdivision of Eagle Creek. Eagle Creek is known for being a guard-gated community, having a beautiful top-rated golf course, and its amenities. The amenities include community pools, splash park, fitness center, and tennis and basketball courts. And the schools zoned for this property are Eagle Creek Elementary, which is located within the community and it's only within walking distance, and Lake Nona Middle School and Lake Nona High School are just situated outside the community. So this property is currently listed by Kyle Medorin with the Medorin Group at Keller Williams Realty. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, and it is just over 2,900 square foot under air and over 3,900 square foot total living space. So today I am going to let you take a very nice tour. And if you or anyone you know is interested in living in a community like that and looking for top-rated schools, and if you like the layout, please send me a message. My contact is below. I would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the tour. Let's take a look.